Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. Australian shares are poised to end the week higher following a strong overnight closing on Wall Street. The market is set to focus on the upcoming speech by US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole Symposium on Friday. The speech is expected to indicate whether the Fed plans to reinforce interest rates, tightening to tackle surging consumer prices or not. The latest ASX Futures indicate that the ASX 200 may start the day 7 points or 0.1% higher on Friday morning. On Thursday, the benchmark index closed 0.7% higher at 7,048.1 points. Wesfarmers and Ramsay Healthcare Limited are a few major ASX-listed companies which are set to announce their full-year financial results on Friday. Turning our attention overseas and on Wall Street, the Dow Jones gained 1%, the S&P 500 rose by 1.4% and the Nasdaq ended 1.67% higher. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 rose by 0.2%, London's FTSE gained 0.1%, the German DAX surged by 0.4%, but the CAC ended 0.1% lower. On the other hand, MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe gained 1.26%, and as for Asian markets, it was a day of green. Japan's Nikkei grew by 0.5%, China's Shanghai Composite jumped by 0.97%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng was the biggest gainer, experiencing a surge of 3.63%. Time now for a quick break here on ASX for Breakfast before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, oil, gold and the world of crypto.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast on Kalkine TV, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. One Aussie dollar is currently buying 69.72 US cents, falling from Thursday's price of 69.79 US cents. Moving on, and on Thursday, US Treasury yields fell after hitting multi-week highs in the previous session amid uncertainty ahead of Powell's speech. The yield on the US 10-year note fell 7 basis points to 3.04%. Oil prices have also slumped. Oil prices fell nearly 2 Aussie dollars a barrel on Thursday in volatile trades. Investors were anxious over prospects of the banned Iranian oil hitting the market and worries that surging US interest rates would negatively hit fuel demand. Brent crude finished at $99.34 a barrel, shedding 1.9%, and WTI crude finished at $92.52 a barrel, dropping by 2.5%. Conversely, gold prices inched higher. Gold prices surged on Thursday as the US dollar declined from recent highs. US gold futures finished 0.6% higher at $1,771.40. And lastly, the crypto market has seen a minor improvement. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market cap has increased by 0.66% to be valued at approximately $1.04 trillion US dollars. The two biggest digital assets, Bitcoin and Ether, have been rather stable in the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin continuing to hold above the crucial 20k floor and was last trading at just above 21.6 thousand US dollars. Experiencing a rise of 0.66% in the past 24 hours, commensurate with the overall market cap space, whilst Ethereum's Ether experienced reasonable growth of 2.34% to trade just below 1,700 US dollars. All right, well, that's all for this edition of the ASX for Breakfast. Another episode coming your way on Monday, but until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.